Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some essential tips and hacks for an anti-inflammatory diet that can help ease chronic knee pain. We all know how debilitating knee pain can be, impacting your mobility and overall quality of life. While there are many potential causes of knee pain, inflammation is a common culprit. The good news is that incorporating certain foods into your diet can make a world of difference. Let's get started. We've got to talk about inflammation. It's a term you hear often, but what does it really mean for your body, especially your knees? Inflammation is your body's natural response to injury or infection. It's like your body's alarm system, signaling that something needs attention. But chronic inflammation? That's when things get messy, especially in your joints. Chronic inflammation can lead to persistent pain and discomfort, making everyday activities a challenge. That's where omega-3 fatty acids swoop in to save the day. These essential fats are known for their powerful anti-inflammatory properties. These healthy fats are like the cool, calming friends of your cells, working to reduce inflammation and ease your aching knees. They help maintain the balance in your body, ensuring that inflammation doesn't get out of control. Think of omega-3s as tiny firefighters, always on the lookout for those inflammatory flare-ups. They rush to the scene, dousing the flames and preventing further damage. They help reduce the production of chemicals that trigger inflammation, providing relief from within. This means less pain and more mobility for your knees. So, where do you find these inflammation-fighting ninjas? The answer lies in your diet. Look no further than fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel. These fish are packed with omega-3s, making them a delicious and nutritious way to combat inflammation. Aim for at least 2 servings a week for maximum benefit. Incorporate them into your meals, whether it's a grilled salmon dinner or a tuna salad for lunch. Not a fan of fish? No problem. There are plenty of plant-based sources of omega-3s that can fit seamlessly into your diet. You can also get your omega-3s from plant-based sources like flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. These tiny powerhouses are easy to add to your daily routine. Sprinkle them on your salads, blend them into smoothies, or enjoy them as a snack. Remember, consistency is key. Regular intake of these foods can help keep inflammation at bay. Make omega-3s a regular part of your diet to keep inflammation at bay and your knees feeling their best. Your joints will thank you for the extra care and attention. Now, let's move on to another powerful weapon in your anti-inflammatory arsenal: fruits and vegetables. These colorful foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall joint health. Remember when your parents told you to eat your fruits and veggies? Well, they were onto something. These nutritional powerhouses are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can work wonders for your knee pain. Let's talk about leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens. They're bursting with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in bone health. And don't forget about berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. They're all loaded with antioxidants called anthocyanins, known for their potent anti-inflammatory effects. Think of antioxidants as little superheroes, fighting off harmful free radicals in your body that can damage cells and contribute to inflammation. Aim for at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables a day. Make it a habit to incorporate them into every meal and snack. Remember, variety is key. The more colorful your plate, the wider range of nutrients you're getting. So, go ahead and eat the rainbow for happy, healthy knees. Now, let's move on to another important aspect of an anti-inflammatory diet: whole grains. Chapter 3: Whole grains, fueling your body and soothing your joints. Let's talk about carbohydrates for a moment. Not all carbs are created equal. While some can be detrimental to your health, others can be incredibly beneficial. It's all about making the right choices. Refined grains, like white bread and white rice, have been stripped of their nutrients and fiber, leading to blood sugar spikes and inflammation. These processed grains can cause rapid increases in blood sugar levels, which can be harmful over time. Whole grains, on the other hand, are nutritional powerhouses. They're packed with fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels, promotes gut health, and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Whole grains also contain essential vitamins and minerals that support overall health. Think of fiber as a gentle sweeper for your gut, removing toxins and waste products that can contribute to inflammation throughout your body. This sweeping action helps maintain a healthy digestive system and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Swap out refined grains for whole grain alternatives like brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat bread. These swaps can make a significant difference in your overall health and well-being. Your gut and your knees will thank you. By choosing whole grains, you're not only supporting your digestive health, but also reducing inflammation in your joints. These whole grains provide a slow and steady release of energy, preventing those energy crashes and keeping your blood sugar levels stable. This sustained energy helps you stay active and engaged throughout the day. Remember, a stable blood sugar level means less inflammation, which translates to happier knees. Consistent energy levels also mean you can enjoy your favorite activities without feeling fatigued. Now let's spice things up a bit and talk about the incredible anti-inflammatory power of spices. Spices not only add flavor to your meals, but also offer numerous health benefits. Chapter 4. Spice up your life and reduce knee pain. Spices not only add flavor to your food, but also pack a powerful anti-inflammatory punch. These natural wonders have been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments. From reducing inflammation to easing pain, spices can be a game changer in your diet. Turmeric in particular has gained significant attention for its active compound, curcumin. This bright yellow spice is not just for curries, it's a potent anti-inflammatory agent. Curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory agent that has been shown to reduce pain and inflammation in people with osteoarthritis. Studies have demonstrated its effectiveness in alleviating joint pain and improving mobility. Think of curcumin as a natural pain reliever, working its magic to soothe your aching joints from within. It's like having a natural internal balm that helps you move more freely and comfortably. Add turmeric to your smoothies, soups, stews, or even make yourself a warm cup of golden milk before bed. This versatile spice can be incorporated into a variety of dishes, making it easy to enjoy its benefits daily. Another spice worth noting is ginger. This zesty root has been celebrated for its medicinal properties for thousands of years. Ginger has been used for centuries for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. It's a staple in many traditional remedies and modern health practices. Gingerol, the active compound in ginger, helps block the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body. This makes ginger an effective natural remedy for reducing pain and swelling. Add fresh ginger to your stir-fries, soups, or enjoy a soothing cup of ginger tea. Its warm, spicy flavor can enhance a variety of dishes while providing health benefits. Remember, a little spice goes a long way. Even small amounts can have significant health benefits. Incorporate these anti-inflammatory spices into your daily cooking to reap their incredible benefits. Experiment with different recipes and find what works best for you. Now let's address the elephant in the room: processed foods. These often contain additives and preservatives that can contribute to inflammation. Opt for fresh, whole foods whenever possible to support your health and well-being. Chapter 5. Processed foods, the sneaky culprit behind knee pain. We live in a world surrounded by processed foods, but these convenient options often come at a cost to our health, especially when it comes to inflammation. Processed foods are often loaded with unhealthy fats, added sugars, and artificial ingredients that can trigger inflammation throughout the body. Think of processed foods as troublemakers, disrupting your body's natural balance and fueling inflammation. These foods can also contribute to weight gain, which puts added stress on your joints, including your knees. It's time to ditch the processed junk and embrace whole, unprocessed foods. Choose fresh fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats instead. Read food labels carefully and be mindful of added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients. Remember, you have the power to make healthier choices. By reducing your intake of processed foods, you'll be taking a major step towards reducing inflammation and easing your knee pain. Now, let's wrap things up with some final thoughts. Your knees will thank you. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health and wellness content. Remember, making small, sustainable changes to your diet can make a world of difference in managing chronic knee pain. See you next time.